Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to look up a value from a table. So in here I want to be able to put any month in this cell and have it look up what the 2018 sales were for that month for that type of fish. So let's start with the vlookup. We'll do that formula to start off with. So equals vlookup, and we're going to look up the halibut. And we're going to look it up in this table. And I'm going to F4 that because we'll copy that down and anchor it. And then we need to count out where July is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll put 8 in there, and then we'll do comma false for an exact match. So we can see here it looks up halibut in the 8th row here, July. So it's returning this 3,411 without the rounding. So that's the vlookup. Now I don't want to have to change this 8 to a 9 or 10 or a 1 whenever I change the month. I want that to be automatic. So I want that 8 to be filled in automatically. I'm going to do that with a match. So I'll just do equals match. Now I'm going to look up this value. I'm going to hit F4 to anchor it on that one. And I'm going to look it up in this range. And then I'll want an exact match, close parentheses. So now that comes up with 8 because it's in July. So now, oh, looks like I need to anchor that 13. So now if I copy this down, it's always going to come up with 8. If I change July to January, it changes to 2 automatically. So I can copy this all the way down, and we can see it's looking up in July, all the values in here. So now I want to put these two formulas together. So basically, I'm going to take this formula and I'm going to insert it here where the 8 is. And I'm just going to Control V and paste it right over that. So now I have a formula within the vlookup that's looking up the month. So now it knows to go to the second column because this is what the match is returning when it matches this range. So it goes 1, 2. And now, whenever I change the month, it's going to update automatically. So now it's going to look up into the 8th month or 8th column in there and return that value. I can change it to December, and it looks up the December values. So that's how you can use vlookup to look up in a table. You just combine it with the match function with what you want it to match with. So thank you for watching.